Hey, JP here. The cat is finally out of the bag. By now, you know about the 100, the gospel grammar system. So in this video, I want to give you the overview and the concept of what we're doing so you can get a better understanding of what this course is all about. So now what I want you to do is think back and think about when you learned how to first speak. You'll use words, nouns, verbs, and adjectives without you even knowing it. And what if I told you gospel music has those same types of things, verbs, nouns, adjectives, and just like letters create words, and then words create sentences, and then sentences create paragraphs or stories. Well, the same thing with music. Notes create chords. Chords create chord progressions, and chord progressions create songs. So it's the same concept that you would look at when you look at the language of music. It applies to music as well. Now, all the time I get these questions of how do you play these chords and where to place them, like dominant sevens and 13 chords, minor nines, minor 11s, all these chord extensions, right? Now, to be honest with you, those are just different ways of saying the same word, but more enhanced. So if you got a word like he jumped, that's a basic word. You can think about jump as a basic chord, right? Now you could take that same word and say he catapulted, which is another way of saying he jumped. Well, when you look at a chord, you can take the same basic chord and enhance it and say the same thing with the chord, like a major chord, for example. You could play a major chord, but you can enhance it by adding so much more color, and then that's how you get a major 9. It's the same word or the same chord, but it's just enhanced in the same way where you would say catapulted instead of jumped, but you still said the same thing. So if you have an issue with playing bigger chords, extended chords, 9s, 11s, and you don't know where to put them, that just lets me know we're dealing with a vocabulary problem, and that is what the 100 is going to help you to solve. So if you also have a problem with chord progressions, that lets me know you have a grammar problem, because like we said, notes create chords, chords create progressions, and progressions create songs. So it's like an order of steps that you have to know. So if you're skipping over any of those steps, like if you skipped your ABCs and you go straight, some people don't even want to learn their scales first and they want to get straight to chords. Well, we already have a problem. Some people want to get into chord progressions without even understanding the types of chords that they're playing. We have another problem. These are all the problems that the 100 is going to help you to solve. So what is the 100? It's the gospel grammar system, something that you wish you had, something that you need to have, and something that you can't live without. If you got a problem with your words, your chords, you got a problem with your sentences, your chord progressions, we're gonna break it down in bite-sized lessons, and that's the key thing. We wanna make sure that you are able to digest all of this information, and that's why we created bite-sized lessons to do just that. And like I said, by the end of this course, you'll be able to speak the language of music so fluently that you will never forget it. So what do you do now? Click the link on this page, get registered for the 100, the gospel grammar system. Why? Because it's the last course that you will ever need. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this. Do it now. I'll see you on the other side.